Welcome. In this video, we'll go through how to enable data saver mode for WhatsApp calls step by step. This feature is perfect if you want to use less mobile data during calls without compromising too much on quality. Whether you're on limited data or just looking to optimize your phone usage, turning on this option makes a big difference. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so the settings appear exactly as shown. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This opens a small menu with a few options. From here, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you see Storage and Data. Tap on it to open more options related to your phone's storage and how WhatsApp uses your network connection. Now, within this section, look for the option called Use Less Data for Calls. It's a simple toggle switch that controls how much data WhatsApp uses when you make or receive voice and video calls. When you turn it on, WhatsApp automatically reduces the data consumption during calls, which is great for saving on data plans or when your network connection is unstable. All you have to do is tap the switch next to it to enable it. Once it's turned on, the color of the toggle changes, confirming that data saver mode is now active. From this point forward, every WhatsApp call you make will use less data. It's a small change that can have a big impact, especially if you often use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Even though this setting helps save data, your call quality will still remain fairly clear for most situations. And that's it, your WhatsApp calls are now optimized for lower data use. A quick, simple setting that keeps your data usage in check while still letting you stay connected with friends and family anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more quick tutorials like this one to make your everyday app usage smarter and more efficient.